United States more than $37 billion. The Pentagon has also requested an additional $67 billion to replenish weapons stockpiles used during the conflict and to fund other defense priorities. When the conflict first escalated, Donald Trump had indicated that military action would be short-lived.
US escalation.
The fighting continues. Casualties is growing and there is still
On 23 July 2026, Thursday.
Did Vladimir Putin secretly help Iran target CIA bases during the West Asia war? That is the question now confronting US intelligence. Investigators are examining whether Moscow...
Ayun, 23 July 2026, Thursday evening, alas 9 ng gabi, manood ng YouTube. Did Putin help Iran target CIA bases? US probe alleged Russian versus Iran CIA base attacks. Nasa drone.
The suspicion stems from Russia's expanding military ties with Iran. US intelligence is examining the drone technology that will feed expertise or intelligence support from Moscow and Iran. Earlier reports said US officials believe
What's Iran's drone strike accuracy? That target bases in group during West Asia war. Not striking a narrative that Russia and China are supplying Iran with nuclear attack. It's embarrassing to behavior. Let's targeting road.
According to reports, at least 2 CIA-linked sites were struck by Iranian drones in March. One was a CIA station inside the US Embassy compound in Riyadh. Another was in eastern Iraq. Some sources say additional CIA facilities may also
July 23, 2026. Tension between Iran and USA escalated once again. US started provocations.
Officials familiar with the assessment say it suggests that Russia likely helped Iran target CIA facilities. The concerns grew further over this weekend. Iran struck a US airbase in Jordan with ballistic missiles, killing American soldiers. The attack has intensified scrutiny of possible Russian support. Even so, some intelligence sources have urged caution. They believe Iran may have targeted the wider US embassy complex with the CIA facility struck by chance. There's also plans the technology
Iran say strike frames. Shahid drone.
Satellite navigation system. According to those assessments, one drone hit a weak point in the embassy's outer structure.
Shahid drone capability.
And exploded. No deaths or injuries were reported. Experts added that the technology makes the drones more accurate and harder to disrupt.
More accurate. Shahid drone accurate.
Russian involvement would not be surprising. They share an interest in trying to reduce or eliminate U.S. influence altogether in their self-designated spheres of influence.
For now, the evidence remains under review with no final outcome. But if US intelligence confirms Russian involvement, the consequences could extend far beyond the battlefield. It would deepen tensions between Washington and Moscow.